Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Classic CC lets you add metadata to photos by entering information into the metadata panel that appears at the right side of the library module. Using pre-made metadata sets, you can easily make all of a photo's metadata, or just a subset of the metadata, available for adding or editing. You can also copy and paste metadata from another photo to quickly add metadata to a photo. To add metadata in the library module, click to select a photo in the grid view or the film strip. As is the case with other tagging features, in Lightroom Classic CC you can apply metadata to multiple selected photos in the grid. However, if you select multiple photos from the film strip, metadata is only applied to the active photo. After selecting one or more photos, choose a metadata set from the pop-up menu that appears at the top of the metadata panel. You can then type metadata into any empty text box within the panel to add the metadata to the selected photo. You can also edit existing metadata by replacing existing text within the text boxes. You can also create metadata presets for future use. To create a preset, click the Preset drop-down near the top of the metadata panel. Select Edit Presets from the options that appear. The Edit Metadata Presets dialog box then appears on screen. Enter or edit metadata in the text fields to create the preset. Any checkbox that is checked within the dialog box becomes part of the new preset. You can use the scroll bar at the right side of the dialog box to view all of your text boxes. After making your selections and entering your metadata, select Save Current Settings as New Preset from the Preset drop-down menu at the top of the dialog box. The new preset dialog box then appears. Type a name for the new preset into the Preset Name field and then click the Create button. The new preset dialog box closes and your new preset is created. You'll see the new preset appear in the Preset drop-down menu. You can click the Done button to close the Edit Metadata Presets dialog box. When you click the Preset drop-down menu in the metadata panel, you'll see the new preset available. To apply a preset that you have created, simply click to select a photo within the grid or the film strip, and then select your preset from the Preset drop-down menu in the metadata panel. Metadata from the preset is applied to the selected photo and the metadata panel reflects the change. Lightroom Classic CC also lets you change the capture time on a photo. This can be helpful when a photo's capture time is missing or incorrect. To change the capture time on a photo, click to select the photo in the grid or the film strip. Next, choose Metadata, Edit Capture Time from the menu bar. The Edit Capture Time dialog box then appears. Select an option from the Type of Adjustment section of the dialog box. If you select Adjust to a specified date and time, the capture time is changed to a time and date that you enter manually. When you select this option, you must also enter a new time and date into the Corrected Time field. You can type directly into the Corrected Time text box to replace the values. Alternatively, you can click the calendar-shaped icon to the right of the text box and then increase and decrease values using the up and down arrows. If you select Shift by Set Number of Hours, Time Zone Adjust, the capture time is adjusted by the number of hours you add to or subtract from the original capture time. When you select this option, a drop-down menu appears in the New Time section of the dialog box. Use the drop-down to select the number of hours you want to set the capture time forward or back. If you select Change to File's creation date, the capture time is changed within the camera EXIF data to the file creation date. When you select this option, you don't have to enter any additional information into the dialog box. After making selections and entering information, click the Change button to close the dialog box and change the capture time of the photo. It's worth mentioning that if you want to save an edited capture time to a raw photo, you must enable that option within your catalog settings. It's also important to keep in mind that editing a photo's capture time cannot be undone.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.